After we enter to the app, we can see the on-off button, and the second one is the heating mode, cooling mode, and the auto mode for the working mode. The third one is the time setting. It's how to set the time to when the heat pump will turn on and turn off. The fourth one is the parameter setting, and the password is 0757. Then we can see all the parameters like water in, water out, and the ambient temperatures. And on the button we can find the water pump operation mode. And the fifth one is to change the working functions for the heat pumps, like silence, powerful, and smart. And the sixth one is the malfunction code for the error code for the malfunctions. We can check the errors when it turns off.